Southeastern Shelby County, Southwestern Decatur County, Northeastern Bartholomew County, until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:14 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles northeast of Columbus, moving south at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Newbern around 10:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. West around 10:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include Elizabethtown, Westport, and Grammar. Rotation has been spotted aloft at times with this storm. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Bartholomew, Decatur, and Shelby.